this could be. All right, guys, I finally got it. This is what I think it is. This is the Tesla Tequila. I unboxed it a little bit, but I didn't completely unbox it. So in this video, we're actually going to open it, check out the boxing and the packaging of it, and get my thoughts on what I think about the Tesla Tequila, and look at how much this Tesla Tequila was and how much they're reselling for right now. Thanks for watching another video, guys. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna unbox this, check it out, and then just talk about the all new Tesla Tequila. Let's get into the video. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Dennis. I have a Tesla Model 3 Performance and I make videos about my experience. So if you're interested in any of that, please hit that subscribe. So this is it. If you didn't know, Tesla Tequila was released about a month ago, or maybe a little bit more than that. I've already unboxed it because I wasn't sure what this was. On the packaging, it did say that it's a special packaging for alcohol. You can see right there. And the Tesla Tequila was actually white labeled by another company called Speakeasy company. You can see right there on the receipt maybe. And you can see the cost right there was a little bit over $250, $269.38 to be exact. I am in California, so I probably paid a little bit of alcohol tax on top of that. And Californians, and probably some other states on the West Coast, actually received their Tesla Tequila a lot later than the East Coast cities. I think a couple weeks ago, there was actually posts on social media where people were actually receiving their Tesla Tequilas earlier than Californians. So I think I'm probably one of the first videos from a Californian or a West Coast side that has actually received their Tesla Tequila. So initial thoughts on the Tesla Tequila, it is wrapped in bubble wrap and some plastic to keep it safe. I'm gonna take it out of the box now, or I'm gonna take it out of the box within a box, remove some of this other wrapping, and you can see right off the bat, it is a just completely matte black cardboard box. It says Tesla, it's a tequila añejo, and of course it's 100% agave. I was able to get this at retail price and I was actually pleasantly surprised. I kind of just bought it off on a whim, and I kind of wish I also got more than one because initially the resale prices were a little bit crazy. Now they've kind of tapered down a little bit, but still really good value if I were to resell this. I actually don't know what I'm gonna do with it just yet, but this is the first unboxing for me of the Tesla Tequila. What is this instruction thing? It looks like it tells you that you should pull the Tesla bottle straight up and keep it straight and don't angle it to the left or right. And this is it. So it is a lightning bolt shaped bottle of tequila, and it has a chrome stand that also has Tesla on top of it. And I guess you just set it down like this, set it right like that, and voila. This is the Tesla Tequila. This thing is crazy. I guess this is where you open it from up here, and then that's where you pour it. I really have no intention of pouring this at all. I may look to resell it. I think it's actually a crazy cool looking piece, but initially when it first came out, I remember seeing posts about it reselling for over $1,000 on eBay and other sites like that. Now it looks like it's gone down to about $600 to $700, which is still 2x or 3x your money after eBay fees and things like that. I could probably sell it locally for $500 to $600 cash, but I think it's just a really cool piece that I'm probably just gonna keep forever and kind of put it on my bar stand because it's actually quite hilarious and very unique, I think. The funny thing is that sellers on eBay and other sites are selling it as an empty bottle because I don't think you can resell alcohol in certain states, and there's regulations against that. So people have been using an empty bottle to sell the Tesla Tequila. But other interesting quirks is there's a piece of tape that kind of seals the opening of the bottle, and it tells you to read instructions before pouring it. So that's how you can tell that it's brand new. It has Tesla branding on the front of the bottle, not necessarily any on the back, and then there's a little bit of information right here at the bottom of the lightning bolt as well. But this stand is actually really cool, completely chromed out, and really nice looking as well. And it's just a funny kind of desk ornament or bar cart or bar ornament that you can keep. That's $260 at retail and a lot more at resale. So yeah, I'm gonna throw some B-roll of the bottle and unboxing it. Yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching this quick unboxing video of the Tesla Tequila that I just got. I'm pretty stoked to have this. It's actually a really nice piece that I can just put on my bar cart or somewhere on my desk. And the great thing is I can keep it for a little bit as a showpiece, and then if I'm bored of it or if I need to sell it, hopefully the value of the Tesla Tequila holds and I can make my money back, if not more. Comment below if you've seen some creative ideas on where people have put their Tesla Tequilas on their bar carts or in their bedrooms. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya!